Tribe Social Update version 014. I'm going to take just a few minutes and walk you through all the new changes that we have pushed today to your Tribe Social platform. So let's jump in. First, I'm going to jump over to our website and I'm going to walk through the changes here. So we'll jump over to updates and you'll see version 014. So all the updates, as always, are listed on the website. I'm going to just highlight a couple of these and show you some of the cool things we've added. So the first up, very exciting, is universal search. So this is a fantastic new feature that I absolutely love. If I jump back over to the site, you'll see that there is a new search toolbar right at the top here. And so you can just click into it and just start typing. So I can type something like video. And then this will look through all the content on the platform where the title has video. It will also search the description. It will also search the creator and the content tag. As you know, you can tag keywords to specific pieces of content, and this will also search for that. So I'll go to the top here and also type Bruce. And then all the results will come back. And you'll see how fast that was. I can go back to something like Resi, and then it will find that clip just like that. Absolutely fantastic, and that is on all sites as of today. Works great on mobile as well. If you collapse it down, that search bar is always right at the top, easy to get to. So that is our universal search. Please let us know what you think of it. But we're pretty excited about that, especially for some of you guys who have hundreds, and maybe we have one client that has over 1,000 videos loaded into their platform. So search is going to be awesome. Next up, we have a new collection sidebar. So this just helps users track kind of where they are if they're working their way through a collection. So if you have a course, this is a fantastic feature. If I click over to the site here, I'm going to click into this collection. I can click on the words the week 1 assignment or over where it says view all. So I'll click into this and you'll see that there's a new sidebar here on the collection page. So this used to just have a banner and then it had a kind of a grid of content. And now we have the sidebar, which is also interactive. So I could click into video 1 here. Or go back, and I can click on any of these pieces of content and it will load that into the content screen. The other thing I can do is I can actually mark whether I have finished this here. So I can actually click on these different checkboxes here and you'll see that it's changing right there. So if I uncheck premium content in the past, you'll see that it just loads it just like that. Very, very cool. And you used to be able, you could go into content here and you could click completed or mark as completed. And so you could go back and then it would update. But this just gives you a kind of a high level reference point for where you are if you're working through a collection. So this may be a feature that we enable or disable on a collection, but right now it's just there for default. So let us know what you think of that. And of course, as always, it gets branded to your colors. I've picked this gold color, and all of this is kind of highlighted in that brand color. So that is the new collection sidebar. And the other new feature is collection ordering. So again, if you're doing a course or maybe you're doing a series, sometimes I think by default the collections used to order with the most recent in front. So if I go back to the home page here, the most recent post was always on the far left here, and then the oldest ones were all the way to the right. But that doesn't really work well if you're doing a course. If you've got lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, you may not necessarily want them to order in kind of reverse chronological order. So what you can do now is go to the dashboard, go to collections, and we'll open up a collection here, this week 1 assignments, and you'll see that there's a sort preference here. So you can choose to have the most recent first or just have it chronological by published date. So that is very helpful. Like I said, if you're doing a course or you're doing kind of recent content, episodes, things like that, this will just be really helpful to customize that a bit. overall, a couple other things we fixed. There's a lot of things we upgraded on the mobile version. So when you're using Tribe on your phone, it's just a lot better. We've kind of shrunk down the size of the grid. Um, it's a lot more, it's a lot easier to use for sure. And we've just added a couple little features throughout, speed improvements, fixed a couple little bugs here and there. And so that is it for version 0.14. If you have any questions, as always, leave a comment below, either on Facebook or on YouTube, and I will get back to you with any answers. You can also reach us at help@tribesocial.io. So we'll see you in the next update. Thank you for watching.